The Water and Ice Research Lab is located in the Department of Geography and Environmental Studies at Carleton University. Ice research focuses on improving our understanding of cryospheric environments, particularly glaciers, ice shelves, and ice islands, and how they're affected by climate change. As part of this work, there's an ongoing study of the ice-ocean system in Milne Fjord, northern Ellesmere Island. The 2016 field team arrived at the Purple Valley campsite in mid-July on a twin otter from Resolute Bay after a short stop in Eureka. The team was composed of Derek, Associate Professor in the Geography Department at Carleton and Project Lead, Master's Student and Field Specialist Extraordinaire Jill, Adam, our Technical Expert, Drone Pilot and GoPro Hero, and Greg. From the main camp at Purple Valley, we conducted salinity and temperature profiles offshore through the sea ice and in the fjord between the ice shelf and the glacier. We also recovered and redeployed a fixed mooring in the fjord that included temperature and salinity sensors and sediment traps. After a few days at Purple Valley, we moved out to the Milne Ice Shelf, where we worked quickly to set up tents and establish a fly camp. The focus here was to investigate the morphology and flow characteristics of sub-ice melt channels. Work included ice-penetrating radar or IPR surveys of ice thickness, and locating and eventually recovering a mooring that had been audaciously deployed in 2015, and that included temperature and salinity sensors and a somewhat expensive upward-looking current profiler. After a few days back in the relative comfort of Purple Valley, the next fly camp was set up on Milne Glacier, or actually on a medial moraine on the Milne Ice Tongue, the floating part of the glacier. Here, IPR surveys were the focal point. These involved dragging a radar transmitter and receiver across the surface, the front person pulling and the rear person acting as brakeman to maintain separation between the transmitter and receiver. We also conducted test flights and recovery of the aquacopter and spent a couple days scrambling through the ice rubble in the cabbing zone looking for cracks through to the ocean below. These were difficult to find but provided access to the water column in which to conduct more salinity and temperature profiles and the always exciting stepped current profiles. And then there were more IPR surveys. Other tasks included old-time glaciology, like installing stakes to measure surface ablation and crushing Krakenite homeworlds.
Very glaciology. Oops.
And still more IPR surveys. Between the ice shelf, the ice tongue, and the glacier, about 50 kilometers of radar surveys were completed. The radar data provides ice thickness, and the survey-grade GPS provides location and altitude. After 8 days on the glacier, the helicopter took us back to Purple Valley. The weather, which had been excellent and warm the whole time, continued to hold, and we were able to travel from the glacier fly camp to Purple Valley and back to Resolute Bay all on the same day. We had a few days back at PCSP in Resolute Bay to conduct the important but less glamorous tasks of equipment inventory and metadata compilation. The data will be analyzed over the coming months by our current students and provide a basis for new research by students we hope will join our team in the next few years.